Hello, I'm here to help you learn how to successfully use our easy angle. And there's two different sizes of easy angles. The one I'm demonstrating today is the 4.5 inch. We also have a large one that is a 6.5 inch. So you can do half square triangle piece blocks up to 6.5 inches with that one. Today I want to just let you know the ease of using an easy angle, which is why it's called easy angle, because it's so simple. If you want, today I'm working with a 3-inch half square triangles. So I cut 2 strips that are 3 inches. I lay my fabric right sides together. Then I take my easy angle ruler and I find the 3-inch line, which the 3 inches right there. It comes down here and the angle is there. So I'm going to take and I'm going to make my cut right here. Now when I remove this one, I'm going to take and I'm going to flip my ruler from this way. I'm flipping it this way. This time the little black notch is on the bottom of the strip. And my 3-inch line is right here now on the top. So I know that this is going to give me the same thing. So I can make this cut. And then I can go back, do another one like this. 3 inches is here and all down the side. I can make this cut. Now I can take and I can flip my ruler like that, making sure the black notch is on the bottom. And the 3-inch line right here is coming straight across the top. And you just keep on doing this to get just as many as you need to have. Now when you go to sew these, you can see that we have no notch up here anymore. So this is completely lined up. Your 1/4 inch starts here and it'll stop at the 1/4 down here. So I'm going to do one here and then I will show you. Now make sure that again that you use your 1/4 like you normally would on your foot or where your tape is. Get to the bottom. And now when I open this up, I'm going to finger press this. When I do that, when I take my little ruler here, I'm measuring at a perfect 3-inch square. All I have to do is just cut the little notch off and I have a perfect 3-inch half square triangle. So this ruler it just does amazing work to help you with getting very accurate, good half square triangles in any size. I can do this right down to a 1 inch. So if you have those little ones, rather than messing with all those papers that you have to stitch on and then you're picking papers forever, you can use an easy angle and you can avoid doing all that. So this is a very handy tool to have, and I know a lot of people just have never completely understood how it worked. So I hope this helped you today. Thank you.